I think you have addressed most of our queries that we have. Now, there is one thing which I would like you to address is the Ayushman Bharat initiative. It is coming up in a big way across most government institutes. It is there in private hospitals also. It is coming up gradually. So, how can we use this technology for those with private hospitals to be a part of the Ayushman Bharat thing?
So, many times people get confused between Ayushman Bharat and Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission.
Yes.
So those are two different things. Ayushman Bharat is a different kind of initiative with respect to health by government. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission is a digital mission that government has taken. So under which the first important thing that government has started, that is about issuing a unique ID to every Indian citizen. So if you go to Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission website, who I don't know who has designed, but we can say that government has tracked the ecosystem very well. Like they are not just talking about this unique ID given to the patient. In this ecosystem, or from a digital angle, from IT angle, they are connecting every hospital, every doctor, every insurance company, every pharma company, every patient. And that's the ecosystem government is looking at through Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, in which the first step is already taken by government, that is issuing of Aadhaar, that is the unique ID for every Indian citizen for healthcare record. Like we have PAN for our financial record, it is similarly for healthcare record. So that is the big way that is coming in, and that's why the consultants like us are telling everyone that you start taking the steps towards digitalization, because see, government may not do everything mandatory at the end of the day, but we will not have choice but to go digital.
Yes. So you mean to say this Aadhaar card is the next big thing, and we all should be a part of it?
Yes. We need to be part of it. I think most of the insurance companies have already made mandate.
Yes. Right.
So indirectly,
we have
to go further.
Now, I think coming to one concluding question, you are part of the Orpent Technologies. How have you contributed a bit about yourself in the journey of IT? And obviously, you are easily accessible. I can contact you at any point of time. But how can other people who are interested, they can get in touch with you? And how can you help us as plastic surgeons in our journey?
Being part of Oliphant Solutions, we are basically consultants. We are IT consultants. And we, first of all, whenever we talk to any doctor, we don't have our own software to sell.
Okay.
So we are consultants. We assist you, we help you to identify the right software. We help you to implement that software, and we help you to achieve your vision about digital transformation. So that is the role we are playing. At the same time, when we started Oliphant Solution, we could see that healthcare is the sector, especially in India, healthcare is the sector wherein we have adopted IT, but for say medical devices, in that angle we have adopted the technology. But when it comes to patient monitoring, patient data, hospital management, we are way behind.
Right.
So there is a lot of space, there is a lot of scope wherein we need to adopt IT. Being part of Oliphant Solutions for last many years, we are actually trying to find out the early adopters.
Okay.
So those are the people who is going to adopt IT first. They are maybe aware about what are the implications, what are the advantage of adopting IT. So Oliphant Solutions is in search of those early adopters in IT, and we are continuously doing that. Definitely followers are there, they are anyway going to follow. But we are helping those early adopters for achieving their visions, because they will be the one in the market with respect to hospitals, doctors. They will be the one in the market who will be called as leader in their own domain.
Yes. So recently we had a survey about who are the smartest of the surgeons, and there was a unanimous opinion that plastic surgeons are the smartest of all the surgeons. So I think you have targeted the right population.
Great.
Obviously, plastic surgeons are going to be the early adapters, and it was wonderful talking to you and having you here. So thank you, Anushka.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Olifant Solutions is an IT consultancy company assisting various doctors and hospitals to achieve their digital transformation goals. Olifant Solutions is a bridge between IT applications, software and doctors, hospitals. They start the journey for any setup with a digital transformation assessment. Starting from identifying the appropriate software to assisting the setups as their extended IT team. In this journey, a team of Olifant consultants work very closely with respective IT vendors and compliance experts to give the hospital end-to-end results. They assist the hospitals in becoming ready for NABH digital accreditation and ABDM. Thank you. For any more details, you can connect them through contact details on screen.